In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Claude AI, create designs automatically. To get started, open Claude in your browser and make sure you're signed in. From the main chat screen, look toward the top right and open Settings. This is where you control how Claude integrates with other tools, so it's the perfect place to set up Canva. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Connectors. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to load or refresh. Sometimes it appears after a moment. Once you're in Connectors, choose Browse Connectors. You'll see a list of available integrations. Find Canva in the list and select it. This connector lets Claude create and update designs directly in your Canva account based on your prompts, which is exactly what we want for automating design work. Next, click Connect. A new window will guide you through configuration. You'll be asked to log into Canva if you aren't already, and you may be prompted to choose the correct Canva account or team. Review the permissions carefully so you understand what access you're granting. Typically, this includes creating and editing designs on your behalf. When everything looks good, click Allow to finalize the connection. After permissions are approved, head back to Claude's chat to start using the connector. Open a new conversation and be explicit in your prompt that you want to use Canva. For example, you might say, use Canva to create a set of Instagram posts announcing a weekend sale. Include a bold headline, space for a product photo, and colors in a modern, high-contrast palette. The more detail you provide, like the design type, dimensions, brand colors, or tone, the better Claude can translate your idea into a Canva design. If you already have fonts or brand colors, mention them by name or hex code. Claude will generate the design using the Canva connector and typically share a link or preview so you can open it directly in Canva and make final tweaks. If you need adjustments, just refine your prompt in the same chat, such as asking for alternative layouts, different imagery, or new sizes for other platforms. You can repeat this as many times as you like. If you ever need to switch Canva workspaces or revoke access, return to Settings, open Connectors, and manage the Canva connection from there. And if the connector doesn't appear to respond, disconnect and reconnect to refresh the authorization. That's it, your Canva account is now connected to Claude, and you can create designs automatically with clear, simple prompts.